we discussed the importance and the usefulness of financial statements and also various ways to analyze financial statements in order to make an informed decision. Hi, welcome back again to the channel. Hope you're all good. If you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Victoria. On this channel, I share about accounting. I share my accounting knowledge. So do well to give us a follow, like, subscribe, and share. So in today's video, I'll be answering some few questions. So the first question is, what is the purpose of financial statements? The purpose of financial statements is to provide useful information to the users of the financial information. For instance, if you're an investor, you've invested into a company. Even before you invest into the company, you must have to do your due diligence and ensure that this company you are investing your capital into is a profitable company. And how do you decide on whether or not to invest into a particular company? You do that by analyzing their financial statement. So the financial statement is there to provide reliable, accurate, timely, comparable information that will urge you as an investor to make informed decisions. There are different users of financial statements, such as banks, government organizations, customers, to know if you are sustainable or not. So this information is there to give the users accurate information, comparable information, so that they can make good financial decisions. So the next question is, what are financial analysis? So in order to analyze these financial statements to help you make an informed decision, you have to use some certain tools. And the first I'm going to share with you is financial ratio. What is the purpose of financial ratio? So when you get a company's financial statement, to determine the profitability of that company or the liquidity or the efficiency of that company, you have to use this ratio tools to ascertain that. Use these analyzing tools, this ratio analysis, to ascertain the profitability, such as gross profit margin, net profit margin, operating profit margin, return on capital employed, and so many other. And also we have efficiency ratio. This ratio helps you to understand how effective the organization or the company is utilizing their resources. For instance, to analyze how efficient a company has been, what you do is to use the efficiency ratio. And that includes your asset turnover, your payable days, your receivable days, and inventory turnover. All of these will help you to determine how efficient that company has been. And finally, you also have liquidity ratio. This helps you to understand if this company are able to pay up their debts. For instance, this liquidity ratio is very, very important for lenders like banks. Before they lend you money, they will have to ascertain and ensure that you are able to pay back those loans. So they will have to calculate ratios such as gearing ratio, current ratio, and so many other ratios. So this is how you analyze companies' financial statements. We also have variance analysis. This is where you compare your budget against your actual to decide whether you are actually meeting your targets. So guys, we've come to the end of today's video. I hope you understood one or two things here. We discussed the importance and the usefulness of financial statements and also different various ways to analyze financial statements in order to make an informed decision. If you like this kind of video, give me a like, subscribe, and I'm going to see you all on my next one. Stay blessed wherever you are.